There's a face. Where does it have to face? The face faces somewhere. It does, doesn't it? Clutch side. I want to show you something. And first, little orientation. That's the big clutch bearing, the outer ring, the inner ring, where you press on to with the clutch. That is the crankshaft stump. That's also part of the crankshaft here. This is the primary, and that's the small sprocket for the oil pump. You see when this moves. Closer. When this moves, the vertical shaft moves and this fires the oil pump. Is this even or is there an edge? Because the old question is, you know this big plate under the clutch? There's a small face. You see it? Here. It's also in here. So which side shall it be? Towards the bearing or not? It in the end does not matter. Why? Because this plate does only sit on the inner ring of the bearing. It only sits here, here, not here, because there is an edge. You hear it? Shall we measure this edge? It does not sit on the stump. What's it saying? 0.5. Always measure 1, 2, 3 times. 0.5. Crankshaft is pulled in fully. 0.4. It's between 0.4 and 0.5. So the answer is no. This plate does not sit here on the crankshaft stump. It just sits here. If there is a face, where does it have to face? The face faces somewhere. It does, doesn't it? It just helps a little bit to put it over it, because you see this is pretty narrow. So put the face towards the bearing, and then it's easier for you to put the plate on, because you see here this is a little bit more tricky, and that's the reason why there is a face. Just that you can put it easily over the stump. Shouldn't be like that. Make sure if you put it onto the ring, so it does not sit here on the stump, it only sits on the ring here, that you don't damage this sprocket. The teeth has to fit to each other. You need to move this a little bit in case.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?